At sa balitang pangkalakalan, balitang good news pa. Lumens Studios, isang international company na engaged sa animation productions, hinangaan ang talento at kahusayan ng mga Pinoy sa paggawa ng animation na tila pang world class. Tunay na pang world class. Narito ang balitang kalakalan ni Len Manlapas.
Pinangalan ng Lumens Studios, isang international company na engaged sa animation production sa ang pagiging marikain ng mga Pinoy at pagiging mahusay na animators.
Well, on my first visit here, which was 2 years ago, I came on vacation, and I was highly impressed with the artistic skills here in the Philippines. And my first impression was the musical skills, but then as we explored it more, we discovered the visual arts skills were equally capable.
Ipinagmalaki ni Lumens President David Cook ang mahusay na kasanayan ng mga Pilipino sa paggawa ng animation na pang world class.
Best in the world, frankly. We're taking our products made here in the Philippines and exporting it to the Hollywood industry, and frankly, it's better than what's available in Los Angeles.
Iminagkaya naman ito na layong pag-ibayuhin ang pagtuturo sa mga kolehiyo hinggil sa animation dahil isang paraan ito upang mas lalong malinang ng mga Pinoy ang ating kausayan sa mga visual arts.
We're very motivated to work with the universities and colleges here in the Philippines to further develop the educational agenda because we do believe firmly in the raw talent. We believe in the future and the potential here, but the key to drive that is the education system. Every employee we have has a bachelor's degree. About 50% are in computer sciences, 50% in fine arts, and we try to balance the technical and artistic levels of our staff. But both areas need to be promoted and developed, educationally speaking, both in arts and computer sciences.
Samantala, nagpayag din ng pagkamangha si Vice President Jeff Lund sa napakayamang talento ng mga Pinoy pagdating sa animation production.
I've been doing this for about 17 years professionally. I do find that all in all, the talent, skill, background is beyond compare. Here in the Philippines is unlike anywhere I've ever seen, and I think it comes from typically their background, family background, the religious background that we see here. A lot of that creative flow comes from that. As we're elsewhere, not saying that they don't have, but it's hustle, bustle, got to go to work, I'm late for this appointment, I'm late for that. But here, the family values, the religious values really brings and has that certain spark that shows in everything they do, the work that they do, the animation, the family bonding they have in the office. They almost call each other brother, sister, and stuff. And unlike anywhere I've ever seen in any movie set that I've been on, these people are a family more so than just office colleagues.
Inigayag naman ni Mr. Lund ang mga proyektong ginagawa ng Lumens Studios na may kinalaman sa animation productions.
A lot of the work that we do at both offices in Cebu and also here in Makati, we do high-def productions both for short TV segments, visual effects. We do webisodes, high-def websites, which also would include visual effects, cars that would pretty much transform. You would see the structure of the cars, the animation of the cars, photorealistic composites on live plates, everything that you would see a Hollywood studio doing. We've actually worked on. Some of the specific projects would be some MTV music videos, some visual effects we've done on that, portions of